Today we're talking Afrocentric wear for your summer events. This colorful and flowy Afrocentric piece is perfect for me to head out to a family gathering where I know I'll be the life of the party. Next, we have this uniquely printed wrap dress that falls perfectly and accentuates all of my curves. The quality of this dress is simply amazing and I can't wait to wear it again. I'm heading out to dinner with friends and something tells me they're all going to love this one. This bold and beautiful print is not for the faint of heart. Combined with a matching head wrap, this cool kaftan is sure to turn some heads. Now this elegant pant set screams quality and fits like a charm. It's perfect for church or any social gathering where you want to stand out and really make a statement. And last but not least, this navy and embellished pantsuit moved me immediately with its intricate details. These pieces are definitely staples in my summer closet. Now you can bring your uniqueness to all of your summer events.